Oh, hey, we all used to use Windows XP and 98. What a beautiful time it was. Intel Pentium processors, AMD Athlon, and whatnot. But that was 2000s and 2003. And what about in 2019? We want to get something which is powerful and can run anything you throw at it. And that's when we built this overkill RGB machine. That's what I would like to call this. My name is Ritvik. Let's get started and see what's inside. We went for the ThreadRipper 2990WX processor. It has 32 freaking cores and 64 threads. A base frequency of 3 GHz and can go up to 4.2. Yeah, it's powerful. Like a lot powerful. It consumes 250 watts, so big electricity bill. Yeah. And it's the world's first 32 core processor, so yeah, it's decent, it's good. As we chose the 2990WX as the processor, we wanted a motherboard which supports ThreadRippers. Yeah, and it is the MSI Meg X399 creation. It has slots for multiple GPU. Also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. And in case I forgot, it has GUI in BIOS. Like, who doesn't love graphical interface in BIOS? Come on, at least I love it. Yeah, that's the only reason we bought this motherboard. And yeah, forgot to mention, most of the parts were bought offline as they were cheaper there. Anyways, I'll try to provide the link of all the parts here, so in case there is a sale going on at the time, you can get it for good discounts. The chances are very low though, but yeah. Coming back to the build, we even use some thermal paste on the processor, which is essential or recommended. The packaging on the thermal paste says don't use your hand to spread the paste. Oh, okay.
ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಟೆಕ್.
The obvious choice, the RTX 2080 Ti from Aorus with 11 GB of memory. Yes, we went with Aorus because it has more RGB than Zotac Gaming and the packaging is different in both. This is the unboxing experience from Zotac. And this is the unboxing experience from Aorus. I know the packaging was better in Zotac, but come on, more RGB in Aorus. What else do you need in life? RGB. For the storage, we went with the two 970 Pro VNAND 512GB SSDs from Samsung, which can have a write speed up to 2900 MB per second, and one 1TB 860 EVO VNAND SSD from Samsung. So that's 2 TB of SSDs and a normal 2 TB HDD from WD. We thought of having 120 GB of RAM initially, but after scrambling and thinking, we thought it would be an overkill for our purpose of the build. So So we went with 4 16GB RAMs from G-Skill, the Trident Z. Again, more RGBs, which ends up to be 64GB of RAM. Yep, decent. Now what about cooling? We wanted this build to be as reliable as possible, as our client doesn't like opening his cabinet frequently. Just kidding, but yeah, liquid cooling may have some problems in the future, or it's not that reliable compared to the normal fan cooling. So we went with the classic fan cooling and no liquid cooling. In case you counted the number of fans this has, it sums up to 6. That should be good enough, I guess. We're using the Cooler Master H500M for the casing.
Don't worry, no problem.
Thank you. What's it?
What's good?
Son?
Yeah, sorry.
Right.
Really?
Yes.
Oh!
Wait, it'll restart.
You okay?
First boot.
You record on your phone. The best
Dude,
quality.
ಎಷ್ಟು RGB ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? So why did we actually build this overkill RGB machine? For Minecraft? No. It was for a client who works with drones and uses image stitching and a lot of intensive tasks. You can check out their website, link in the description. And if you noticed, the whole video I mentioned we everywhere because this was built by the company I'm interning at. It's called Desic Labs. More info about them in the description below. They are also into 3D printing, so comment down below in case you want to see something 3D printed. That's been it, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Oh wait, the benchmarks. I haven't run any benchmarks for now as I just installed drivers and stuff. We'll do an update and would let you guys know in the description below, or maybe a separate video. Anyways, make sure you comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next videos. Peace.